Kumshi bynta ban rakhe International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking kaban Shillong ha ka arpun ri tarik ubanai Jylliew arhajar arpuar ki pulit ke East Khasi Hills mynne ka sngi ryngkat ke jingiatrei langbat ki dkhot jong the Ultimate Legend Bikers Association TULBA kila pynlong ya ka jingiaid rally de ki thuk kabala sdang naduh ka ISBT ha Mawiong bat kabala pynkut ha Madan Iewrynghep Shillong. La plie katei ka rally do SP ke East Khasi Hills Bah Sylvester Nongtynger ha ka jingiadon ryngkat lang ki he ka tnat pulit bat ki dkhot ka TULBA. View 2. Madan Iewrynghep la yuak ya ka jingkren no SP traffic jong ka East Khasi Hills Shailendra Bamaniya bala kyntu ya baro ban kiar na ka jingdi ya drug bala penpat ban plie bun ki long yeng long sem bat ru bala penjot ya ka imlang sala.
Mame sarut. Jylliew. Din nih bang, stop dia.
Thank you, SP Traffic. Thank you, Sai Yan Swear, and all the official of the traffic branch. Ningkong ni siya mga kulay kini, kibala ay bay siya mentalang, kibala ay la jingiru na kaseng TULBA banditor mentahan ni kasi na ka SP jo police traffic police department jo ka East Khasi Hills barka social welfare ka baiton dekat lang hani te nakaliang ka TULBA ka ay kulay ya kaneka East Khasi Hills Police Department kapala siya may ganit jam pagpalong ya kani ka jingkren ya ka International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking ya kani la penbena da ka United Nation naduh khadai spa rapinyo bat ngi sele haduk menta kisngi da ka jingsim menta ba ka jingsim jing menjur lang jong barkhot kiri ka perthai bat nga ka jing thu jong kani kalong komdu ban khang persya ya jing penan kam bakla yo drugs bat ban te lakam ya kata ka jing shalan bian yo drugs ban ngangit scam bakani kam Shillong tang karong phong ne ban pendep ya ka program handai kan dandu ka jing mun ban rak ting hong nadu tolong ya ka jing sdio ka baminu drugs ngawang bau drugs udai nong shun bakhraw tam ya ki em lang salang upan chot ya ki long ying long sem upan kala nong tu ya ki na balului tang ban yo the drugs bangom hosiar pa ba na ka jingma jong drugs ban ngidong bangim dei bu ngilong bra drugs namar haba filama di drugs himla lai ngajui khna anda kilama di drugs kelas tang man kerni anda la kerni kwa malasi komta don kam pisa kim hun chu tang ka pisa ba yo na tumi hendai kisang malute balito na kitliwing pat poiru ban chakem hakashnong haki pulit yo ka blak remak kata ka jing puli kata ka yo kam yo jam om tang ta ka ba so sanai ba sang sot de kata saka shong kha shong man na ka jing pang ka ba mi no drugs.
First of all, very good afternoon to all of you. Today we are here as 26th of the June is International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking. And today, with the collaboration of this TULBA, District Administration, Social Welfare Department, we have conducted this bike rally to create awareness among the public that everyone should be aware about the bad effect of the drugs. And today our youth, they are very much indulged in this illicit use of this drug abuse, and many of the youth, they have lost their lives, and our society also, many have family destroyed already. And as a series of awareness campaign that will be culminating on 26th of this June, our police department is conducting various awareness programs. This is one of the program in the series. And today we choose this program, and this entire highway you have conducted rally despite the rain. And with police department, we would like to thank the TULBA Bike Association, their president and their secretary, and all the bikers, those who have come along the way despite the heavy rain. Our additional SP traffic, DYSP traffic, our SP Sir Sylvester, currently he is not here, but he start with the flag. He started the rally, and our particularly Mawiong and Lymeca traffic, those despite the rain, they conducted all the arrangement for a smooth flow of the traffic. And now all the media, despite the rain, they are here. We would like to thank all the media people also for covering this coverage. Say no to drugs and create awareness and help those people who are already indulged in those activities, so that there are many rehabilitation centers in Shillong and all the across the Meghalaya, and whatever the counseling they needed, they should go to the respective department. They should help the police, and whatever the help needed, it will be provided by the district administration, police, social welfare department, and by all the concerned department.